Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest option with the usage of the secret code, and then I'll show you how to check the IMEI numbers with the settings. So let's open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way. So let's enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here we have to also scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.